Okay, good morning everyone. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung anong na pag-usapan namin last meeting with the founders. Okay, so part doon is yung sinasabi ni admin kung ano ang how to use your SBC funds. So, since I'm going to message this to all of my referrals, basahin ko na lang muna para sa inyo, okay? Para yung mga di-active pa na members dyan, alam nyo po kung anong kahinatnan or ang future ng SBC or ang dapat gawin ng inyong SBC funds. So, here we go. Your SBC funds or your SBC can be spent directly in any environment. You can spend it as a bank transaction. You can spend it as withdrawal from any ATM. You can spend it as a credit card transaction. That's simply technology. There's no restrictions, there's no limitations on what we can do with that type of technology. But that technology takes money, and the bank or financier that we're working with don't have the infrastructure in place yet. Because build if there's nobody to use it. Why build it if there's nobody to use it? They were gonna spend $1 million to $100 million in building that infrastructure. It's a global infrastructure. It's not just gonna be a centralized system. It's gonna be a distributed system where there will be a server in each county, in each metro hub. It's gonna be all over the place. It has to be decentralized, much like Bitcoin is. So, yan po ang napag-usapan. Parang tip lang po yan ng kung anong meron yung meeting namin last Monday. And then, tonight, there's coming meeting again. So, kung hindi po kayo nakapag-update or hindi alam kung saan ang meeting, dito lang po makikita sa dashboard and then meetings. Okay? So, kung kayo po ay active na po na member dyan, just click the founders meeting and then you can see the link. And since it's not yet here, so basta alam nyo pa kung ano po ang i-click dyan sa inyong account. Okay, so sa mga gustong magbayad din ng inyong mga account, update ko lang po na every time po kayo magbayad ay makareceive po kayo ng 200 SBC. Sa nakikita nyo po, ang nakalagay dito is 20 and then may 369 na 0. So, na-receive ko po yan last February 1 of 2024. So, sa mga gustong magbayad dyan, just message me anytime guys on my Instagram, Telegram, I mean. Okay? So, I will just put my Telegram number on the description below. So, that's all for today and have a blessed day. Bye for now.